Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Project Playtime Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to library, you need to go to Project Playtime, right click on it, properties, installed files, and browse. And then you should find a folder here. So you need to go to Easy Anti-Cheat and right click and run as administrator Easy Cheat. If Easy Anti-Cheat open up, then you need to find Project Playtime here. And after that, you need to select install Easy Cheat or repair service. And then what you need to do here is go back, verify integrity of the game files. If it's not working, if Project Playtime Easy Anti-Cheat is not opening up, like for me, you just need to go to Browse, Easy Anti-Cheat, and then you should find Easy Anti-Cheat setup here that you previously clicked. So what you need to do here, you need to right click on it, go to Show More Options, then create a shortcut. If shortcut is not appearing on folder, it should be on the desktop, so you just need to drag and drop on this folder. And then you just need to right click again, go to properties, go to shortcut, and on target on the end here, you need to put space and then write repair. Repair, apply, okay, and run Easy Anti-Cheat. Then you should get a black screen for maybe half a second. So just restart the Steam, run the game, and your game should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I can help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.